Good morning everyone. My name is Parmeet Kaur, HOD CSC from RPIIT campus Karnal. Today we are going to discuss operating system. Basics of operating system. What basically operating system is. Introduction. An operating system is an interface. An operating system is an interface between computer, user and computer hardware. Operating system is an interface between computer user and computer hardware. What does it mean? It is an interface. It is an intermediate part between a computer and a user. We'll explain it and control the execution of all kind of programs. So here is a diagram of operating system. Here we have hardware, user and software. As I already told you, it is an interface between hardware and user. Operating system is an interface between user and computer hardware. How it works? Here we have users like people, anyone that operate computer system, and softwares and hardware. Hardware is the part that we can touch, like CPU, RAM, keyboard, mouse, input-output devices, anything that we can touch related to computer system. Second is software. Softwares can be of two types, system software and application software. Difference between system software and application software are, system softwares are those softwares which are used to operate system, which operate systems basically. And application softwares are those softwares which basically are like Microsoft Word, MS Paint and Corel Draw. The system software provide a platform for application software. These are the softwares that provide platform for application software. Without system software, application software cannot run on a computer system. So, operating system is also a part of a system software that operates the complete computer system. Now, users. Users are like people like we are using system and we are directly operating hardware, computer system. But the hardware, the computer system is operated by the operating system only. Examples of operating system are like, we all know very well, examples of operating system are like Windows, Linux, Unix, Android, Mac. Like these are the examples of operating system. Like we all are using Android phones. In our Android phone, there is an Android operating system. With the help of that operating system, we all are operating that Android phones. And people are using iPhone as well, Apple phones, Mac phones. Then in iPhone, they are operating Mac software. So different types of operating systems are available in market. So with the help of operating system, we can operate a device. Complete device is operated by only operating system. All the command is given by the operating system, which is followed by the hardware, and software, which is followed by the software by using the hardware. So here we have functions of operating system. As I already told you, all the computer system, all the system is operated by only operating system, right? So these are the functions of operating system. Processes are managed by the operating system. First one is process management. All the processes of computer system are managed by the operating system. How? Like, for example, if one or more than two processes come simultaneously and requesting CPU for process execution, then CPU will decide which process will execute first. Like, whom to allocate CPU first. Operating system will decide whom to execute first, which process will execute first. So all the processes are managed by the operating system only. Next one is memory management. Memory management is basically a main memory, that is a primary memory that will be operated by the operating system only. Here, while processes in execution stored in main memory. Next one is file management. In file management, all the files created, deleted and modified under the control of operating system only. Here comes system files. Device management. All the devices that are connected to the computer system are controlled by the operating system only. Next is input-output system management. The main and the important role of the operating system is to manage all the system input-output, all the peripheral devices of the computer system. Secondary storage management. Secondary storage management is basically a permanent storage management. Here we save data permanently in secondary storage management that is managed by the operating system only. So it's all about operating system functions. Thank you everyone. Kindly like and subscribe our RPIIT page. Thank you.